Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by AnnualPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and today we are bringing gunite facts. Concrete. The question goes as such. Can I install an above-ground pool on a concrete pad? Rob?
Well, Matt, I'm going to assume we're talking about a steel-walled pool.
You assumed correctly.
Okay, we'll go with that scenario. We don't recommend putting them on a concrete pad, and the manufacturer doesn't for a couple reasons. Typically, the concrete pads don't drain well. So what happens is when you're installing these steel frame pools, the bottom rims and the bottom plates will get scratched up. It makes them real susceptible to rusting. And even if you have a pool where the rims and the bottom plates are resin, you still have a steel wall, or even aluminum can get scratched and rust. So the concrete pads they don't drain well, and so that's the reason they don't recommend them. So, maybe if you have a soft-sided pool with PVC parts and not steel parts, you might be able to put that on a concrete pad. But if we're talking about traditional steel wall above ground pool, we don't recommend putting those on a concrete pad.
What about fiberglass? I'm joking. I think that just about covers it. If you have any questions about concrete pads, above ground pools, or anything pool and spa, please visit us over at AnnualPools.com. And once again, thank you for joining us. Bye.